have bound these two radio buttons to a state variable that we can change based on the selection of these checkboxes. And what we'd like to be able to do is give some feedback to the user that whether their answer is correct or not, right? And we do have the correct answer, right? We do have it. We sent it over from the server, right? I mean, this is silly, right? We would never actually send the correct answer from the server to the client, since somebody who's clever might be able to see this response coming from the server. So you wouldn't actually do this. So question, we do have the correct answer here, right? Correct. Now we have the correct answer is true. See that? So if we select true, we could compare these, right? True, false, and highlight or paint or provide some feedback saying, yay, you got the right answer. And hide. Maybe we have down below here we have we have two messages. One saying span, yay, right? Whether you got the correct answer, or you might have another answer saying boo, right? Or maybe oops, right? If you get it wrong, right? So right now it's showing both of them. Perhaps what we'd like to be able to do is that, depending on your answer and the way we compare it, right, we show one or the other. Okay, so the way we could do that, right, is to use a hidden, right. The hidden attribute is a component that hides or shows that particular content based on the fact that you have an answer, or you have some expression, some JavaScript expression. We'll say here, the hidden attribute takes in a Boolean expression. In our case, what we're going to do is that first we're going to check whether we do have an answer, and if we have an answer, then we're going to check to see whether it's correct or not. Right. So, for instance, we're going to hide yay, right, if the answer is wrong. Right? So if we have an answer, and if that answer is not equal to the correct answer, then I'm going to hide it. Right? If for oops, I'm going to use the same idea. So I'm going to hide it if we do have an answer, right? And that answer, right, is equal to, is correct. Right, is the same as the correct. Okay. Let's see. Answer. Let's see. What do we have for answer for? By default, we can say maybe null. Wait a minute. We're gonna hide it. We're gonna hide it if we have an answer and the answer is correct. Okay, so we don't have an answer. Okay, so if, maybe something like that. All right, so if you notice that, there we go. So notice that it's showing one or the other, oops or hooray, based on whether it's correct or not. So true, yay, got it right, or false. Maybe we don't need this BR here. There we go. All right, I'll leave it up to you to work out the details.